The question is, using integration find the area of the region xy is such that x square plus y square is less than or equal to ax and y square is greater than or equal to ax, and the condition is x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Okay. So now let capital R represents the question. Xy is such that x square plus y square is less than or equal to 2ax, y square is greater than or equal to 2ax, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Now let R1 is equal to x is to y such that x square plus y square is less than or equal to 2ax, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, and R2 is equal to x comma y is such that y square is greater than or equal to ax, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Now R1 x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. Now this becomes x square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to 0. Now making it to a perfect square. Now what we are getting? X square minus 2ax plus half coefficient of x, that is 2a into 1 upon 2, that is a. So a square, x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square is equal to a square. Adding a square to both sides. Now what this becomes? X minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Now x square plus y square is equal to 2ax is greater than is equal to, is less than is equal to 2ax represents a circle with center A with a comma 0, x minus a, so coordinates of the center are a comma 0 and radius is equal to a. This is the radius, a square. Shaded part is in the circle and only in first quadrant. Now why in the first quadrant? Because they have given us this statement. Now R2 y square is equal to ax represents a parabola right handed with vertex at origin. Shaded portion is to the greater than or equal to. Shaded portion is to the interior of the parabola in the first quadrant. Solving, x square plus y square is equal to 2ax and y square is equal to ax. Now what we are getting? X square plus ax is equal to 2ax, x square minus ax is equal to 0, x minus a is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Now when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, one thing, and when x is equal to a, y is equal to a. So points of intersection of circle and parabola is at origin and at B, A comma A. Here in the figure, B, A comma A and at the origin here. Now required area R is equal to R1 intersection R2. Required area is R represents the question, R1, R represents the question, R1 and R2. So R1 intersection R2. Shaded in red in the question. Here I have shaded in red. Okay. So now required area is equal to 0 to a y of circle dx minus 0 to a this type of a quadrant, okay, up to x axis, and minus 0 to a again for parabola, minus 0 to a y of parabola with dx. Is it clear? Now required area is equal to 0 to a square minus, now taking from this part, a square minus x minus a whole square, a square minus x minus a whole square dx minus 0 to a y of a parabola 0 to a ax dx. Is it clear? Now let this portion be a1 and this portion be a2. Okay. Now a1 is equal to 0 to a square minus x minus a whole square dx. Is it clear? Now let x minus a is equal to t differentiating, we are having dx is equal to dt. Now changing the limits, when x is equal to this 0, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to minus a, and when x is equal to a, t is equal to 0. So we are having limits this one and this one. Is it clear? So now this becomes 0, t is minus a to 0 square root for a square minus t square dt. Is it clear? Now using the formula, this implies a1 is equal to t upon 2 a square minus t square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse t upon a from 0 to minus a. Okay. Now this is equal to 0 minus, now minus a upon 2 with 0 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse minus 1. Okay. And now what this becomes? Now this becomes, this implies a1 is equal to, now this implies a1 is equal to, now minus 0 minus a square upon 2 into minus pi upon 2. Okay. So a1 is equal to now pi a square upon 4 square units. This is a1. Now a2 is equal to 0 to a root a with x raised to power 1 by 2 dx. a2 is equal to root a with x raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 with 0 to a. Okay. Now this becomes what? Square root of a 2 by 3 a raised to power 3 by 2. a2 is equal to a square 2a square upon 3 square units. Is it clear? Now required area is equal to a1 minus a2, sorry, a1 minus a2, required area is this one, a1 minus a2. Okay. So what is a1? a1 we are having this part, this is our a1. So it is pi a square upon 4 and a2 is this one minus 2 upon 3 a square, and this is equal to 3 pi minus 8 a square upon 12 square units, and this is the answer.